Hey there, globetrotters! Welcome back to Thailand VIP Travels, your one-stop shop for all things travel. We're bringing you a special edition of our travel series. Are you tired of overpacking? Do you wish your suitcase had a little more room? Well, you're in luck! Today we're going to reveal 10 items you absolutely don't need to pack for your next adventure. Why? Because they're readily available at your friendly neighborhood 7-Eleven, and that's not all. They also offer a delectable selection of ready-to-go sandwiches, expertly heated to perfection, ready for you to savor at any moment. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of smart packing. Imagine this. You're packing for your next big adventure and your suitcase is bursting at the seams. You're trying to decide whether to sacrifice that extra pair of shoes or your favorite novel, when suddenly a revelation: there are items you absolutely do not need to pack. Why? Because they're readily available at any 7-Eleven, your friendly neighborhood convenience store. First on the list is toothpaste. Say goodbye to the hassle of squeezing that bulky tube into your toiletry bag. Just grab a travel-sized toothpaste from 7-Eleven and keep your smile fresh and clean wherever you are. Next, we have shampoo and conditioner. No need to lug around those heavy bottles anymore. Travel-sized hair care products are available at most 7-Eleven stores, ensuring your hair stays fabulous throughout your journey. Ever been in a situation where your phone is running on its last sliver of battery and you can't find a charger? 7-Eleven usually stocks phone chargers so you can keep your devices powered up on the go. Snack attacks are unpredictable, but don't let that force you into overpacking snacks. 7-Eleven has a variety of goodies, from chips to candy bars, that will keep your cravings at bay. Stay hydrated without the burden of a reusable water bottle. Just grab a cold one from 7-Eleven whenever you need a refreshing drink. Forgot your razor at home? No worries. 7-Eleven often stocks disposable razors, saving you from a hairy situation. Weather can be unpredictable, but that doesn't mean you should pack a bulky umbrella. Compact and affordable umbrellas are usually available at 7-Eleven, ready to keep you dry during unexpected showers. Bid farewell to the inconvenience of headaches and muscle pains ruining your trip. There's no need to burden yourself with an entire medicine kit. Just grab some pain relievers for a swift recovery. Whether you're immersing yourself in the lively streets of Bangkok or basking in the tranquility of Phuket's beaches, relief is readily available. Thailand's abundant pharmacies provide the ease of consulting with a pharmacist for tailored advice, or effortlessly acquiring over-the-counter pain relievers tailored to meet your specific needs. Sunscreen is essential for protecting your skin, but there's no need to pack a full-sized bottle. Travel-sized sunscreens are often available at 7-Eleven, perfect for keeping your skin safe from the sun's rays. And lastly, travel adapters. Depending on where you're traveling from, you might not need one. But if you do, 7-Eleven often has them, allowing you to charge your devices hassle-free. To wrap things up, these are the 10 items you don't need to pack, as they're readily available at any 7-Eleven. And while you're there, do not forget to treat yourself to one of their delicious ready-to-heat sandwiches. Remember, travel light and enjoy the journey. Safe travels, everyone. Before we wrap up this video, don't forget to subscribe to our Thailand VIP Travels channel. We share essential travel tips, updates, and insider information to help you make the most of your journey. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest content, ensuring that you're always prepared wherever your travels may take you. So go ahead and click that subscribe button now. Join our community of savvy travelers and start exploring the world hassle-free. Subscribe to the Thailand VIP Travels channel today and never miss out on our travel tips and updates. Happy travels!